Hello students, I welcome you all in today's English class. Today we'll discuss very important topic, that is about abstract noun. Noun I hope that we have read earlier, and we read about this part, that is abstract noun. First of all, we'll see the definition of this abstract noun. An abstract noun is a quality or something that we can only think, or rather than as something that we can see or touch. Abstract noun is a quality और समथिंग दैट वी कैन ओनली थिंक ऑफ, जिसको सिर्फ हम लोग सिर्फ सोच सकते हैं, ना कि उसको देख सकते हैं, ना छू सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ क्वालिटी, विशेषता होती है. हियर आर सम एग्जांपल्स लाइक करेज, क्रिएटिविटी, फ्रीडम, फ्रेंडशिप, ऑनेस्टी, काइंडनेस, love, pride. So all these words are abstract noun which refer to some quality rather than we can see or touch. क्या हम लोग इसको छू सकते हैं या देख सकते हैं? नहीं, सिर्फ हम लोग थिंक कर सकते हैं. सो नाउन दैट वी कैन ओनली थिंक ऑफ rather than as something that we can see or touch. So these are some examples. Now this is explanation for nouns with examples in a sentence. First one is, he was given an award for his courage. उसको अवार्ड दिया गया किसके लिए? उसके साहस के लिए. करेज मीन्स क्या होता है? साहस. इसी तरह द बोल्ड लेटर्स दैट आर रिटन हियर इन दीज सेंटेंसेस आर व्हाट? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सेकेंड वन इज, हिज आर्ट टीचर अपलॉडेड हिज क्रिएटिविटी. थर्ड वन इज, शी craved freedom. Your friendship is one of my favorite parts of the day. She thought that happiness was the most important things in life. So all the bold letters, that is courage, creativity, freedom, friendship, happiness, refer to abstract noun. Here are some more examples. You can see the letters that are in bold in these sentences. Like, he was filled with fear when he saw the lion. So here fear is what? Abstract noun. Mark was in great pain when he stubbed his toe. So in all these sentences, fear, pain, bravery, anger, disappointment, all used in a sentence as abstract noun. So you have to know how the words are used as abstract noun in a sentence. Third example is, you need bravery if you want to climb Mount Everest. So here bravery is what? Abstract noun that you can only think of rather than you can see or touch. Most people feel anger if someone steals their things. So anger here is what? Abstract noun. She only felt disappointment when she lost the race. So yes, feeling is what? Disappointment means hota nirasa. So these are the words which are used in a sentence as abstract noun. So I hope you all have understood. Thanks for watching.